Hi dear students, welcome to Color Cube. Today we are discussing on Indian place value chart. Main contents of this session are how to read and write numbers using Indian place value chart, place values and expanded form. What is mean by place value chart? What is the need of it? Place value charts are used to read and write large numbers. Mainly there are two types of place value charts. Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Let's see more about Indian place value chart. This type of charts are mostly used by Indians. The Indian place value chart have been separated into groups called periods. Mainly there are 4 periods. Those periods are ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. In Indian system, we start grouping the number from right in group of 3 and further in group of 2. Here in the given figure, those 4 periods are separated in different colors. That means this is the ones, first period, second period, third period and fourth period. First period, that is ones period, has 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. Second period is thousands period. It consists of 2 places, thousands period and 10,000s period. The third period is lakhs. It consists of 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. TL is the notation for 10 lakh. The last period is crores. Crores and 10 crores are the places. 10 crore is denoted as TC. To read and write numbers using Indian place value system, we should put commas. How to put commas means we should separate each period by commas. That means after ones period we should put 1 comma. After thousands period again 1 more comma, and after lakhs period put 1 comma. That is the order of putting commas. So in the ones place 3 digits, ones, tens, 100, 3 digits will be there. After that 3 digits we should put 1 comma. Then again after 2 digits put 1 comma. After 2 digits again comma. So to read a number in Indian system, first start counting from rightmost place. This is the rightmost place. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma. So as a trick, I will tell you that the order of putting commas in Indian system is 3, 2, 2, 2. That means after 3 digits put 1 comma, and after 2 digits put 1 comma, again after 2 digits 1 more comma. Let's see more example. Here, one number is given to you, 506424331. Now, to convert it into standard form, start counting from rightmost place. This is the rightmost place. 3, 2, 2 is the order of putting commas. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2. Now we can read it easily. To read a given number, we should read those periods together. Whatever be the number in those periods, read that numbers together. That means here it is 5050. It will be read as 50 crore. Here 64 lakhs. Here 24,000. And here 331. Let's read it once again. 50 crores, 64 lakhs, 24,331. This is the standard form. Now we learn to write the number name also. Let's see one more example. The number given to you is 72515,328. Start putting commas from the rightmost side. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1. Here, no digits is given in the 10 crores place. So no problem. Then how to read it? 7 crores, 25 lakhs, 15,328. This is the number name. Now we know the expanded form. Let's see once again. 7 crore plus 20 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 8. I will tell you one click to expand the number easily. Here first digit 7, write 7 there. Then to the right of the 7, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put 7 zeros. After that plus next digit 2. Write 2 here. How many digits are to the right of 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 commas. Plus 5. 5. To the right of 5, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 zeros. Again 1. To the right of 1, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros. Plus 5. How many zeros? 3 zeros. Plus 300 plus 20 plus 8. Now it's easy, no? Let's see one more example. Next digit is 120729 What is the order of putting commas in Indian system? 3, 2, 2, 2. That means from the rightmost side, let's count. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2. So we can read it easily. 12 crore 7 lakhs 29,500. This is the standard form. Now its number name is 12 crore 7 lakhs 29,500. Now its expanded form is, please use the trick. 10 crore plus 2 crore plus 7 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 500. Let's see. Next, one digit is given to you. If you are asked to convert it into its standard form and write the number name, how will you do it? We know that the order of putting commas in Indian system is 3, 2, 2. Let's put commas. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2. So the standard form is this. Now, how to read it? Just on the top of it, just write the periods so that it is very easy. 9 crore 62 lakhs 57,343. Next topic is place values. You already know to find the place values of smaller number. The same thing is followed here also. How many ones here? 4 ones, 9 tens, 100, 3,000, 6 10,000, 5 lakhs, 3 10 crores, 3 10 lakhs, 7 crores and 2 10 crores. Let's see one more example. Next digit is 96257,343. It's already given in standard form. Can you read it? 9 crore 62 lakh 57,343. What are the place values? 3 ones, 4 tens, 3 hundreds, 7 thousands, 5 10,000, 2 lakhs, 6 10 lakhs and 9 crores. Please practice more problems. Thank you.